Xperia 1 device, presumably the Xperia 1 Mark V. The flagship will make its global debut on May 11th, and will arrive with a next-gen sensor and next-gen imaging performance, according to Sony. Details of Sony's next-gen flagship smartphone, the Xperia 1 Mark V, have floated around the grapevine for months now. The flagship finally looks set to be on the way, though, with Sony officially confirming a global launch date for the Xperia 1 Mark IV's successor. Taking to its Twitter handle, Sony has now confirmed the imminent announcement of a new Xperia smartphone scheduled for May 11th. The device in question isn't named, but it looks certain to be the Xperia 1 Mark V, considering last year's model debuted in June, and the post's emphasis on the word one. As with most flagships these days, the Xperia 1 Mark V appears to be positioned as a camera-focused premium smartphone, with Sony's announcement post reading, Next-Gen Sensor. Next-Gen Imaging. Next one is coming. Tune into our YouTube premiere on May 11th, 2023, 1300 hours Japan time / 6 o'clock Central European Summer Time. If that's any indication, the Xperia 1 Mark V will arrive with a significantly improved main camera sensor at least. According to previous reports, that could mean a 1/1.4-inch sensor, an upgrade on the 1/1.7-inch sensor on last year's Xperia 1 Mark V. Sadly, though, that upgrade still wouldn't guarantee hardware parity with the competition, with most flagships already being equipped with 1/1.3-inch or even 1-inch type sensors. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Peace.